Hello, I'm here today to show you some maintenance and troubleshooting tips with our cleaning dispenser unit. Firstly, what I'll start with today is the hoses in the bottle. One of the biggest things is making sure that the hose, which is here on the wall, is actually inserted into the bottle. I'll show you a demonstration. We're just going to try some glass cleaner today, and I'll insert the bottle into the glass cleaner, and as you can see, it's coming through clear. There is no product coming through the clear hose. We suggest that you check the hose to the glass cleaner, run your hand down, and as you can see there, that hose is not connected to any bottle at all. Hence, you're not getting any product come through. In this case, we would get another bottle, insert the hose in, and then run your product through again, and you should have success. The next thing I'd like to talk about is the footer valves, which are inside the bottle. If we just pull this out here, you'll see this is a ceramic weight with a footer valve. What we suggest is regularly, probably every 6 to 8 weeks, maybe just pull these out, run them under some hot water, give them a little shake, just to clear any sediment that may be sitting actually in the footer valve. We put that back into the bottle like so, and it always pays just to give the bottle a little shake, just to clear any of that heavy sediment that may be sitting in the bottom of the product. Another maintenance check would be the tips. So these little tips here, you'll see are actually the dilution rates of our product to the machine. So this gives you the correct dosage on each product as you dispense. What you can do here is you can just pull these off like so. You'll see there, you can just pull them out and give them a rinse under water. Insert them back in, hose back on, and then once again go back to your dispensing of your product, which should work. One of the biggest things when we install the machines, we always install the products below the machine. The machine is actually gravity fed, so that means it pulls the product up through the machine. If the product is sitting higher than the machine, what will happen is it'll still work, but you'll have continuously liquid going through the machine, which can result in spills. So our suggestion is if you do change the product height and you want them off the floor, make sure that the products sit below the actual dispensing unit. One of the other cause that you may come across is that there's no water flowing through the machine at all. One of the things is to check your taps are on, that your taps are working, and then there's no leaks in your plumbing. If that's the case, then you may need to call a plumber if it's a more serious issue. If it's just a tap that's not turned on, then make sure that tap's turned on. If your machine starts to leak water or has drips or anything like that, then please give us a call. We will have someone come out and check that out for you straight away. We suggest, if that is the case, that you turn all your water off at your tap so you don't get any more spillage. Thank you for your time.